Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create Seeder and how to use it. Okay, so when we need to use Seeder in our application, so when we have a first time setup, at that time we don't have a form for creating an admin user. So at that time we can create a Seeder and define the admin user over there and simply run it, so automatically create the admin user. So let's get started with the example, that way you understand clearly. So I already downloaded a fresh Laravel application, so let me go here and let me go to the migrations. I will add one column here, so I will say like table and teeny integer. I will add one type column. Okay, and I will set up default will be 0, so that means 0 means user and 1 means admin. Okay, simply run the migration again. So I will simply use the refresh command, migrate, refresh and hit enter, and yeah, it's created a user. So now if I go here and refresh it, you can see that they added the type column. Now I will create a seeder and create an admin user. So let me clear it and let me use the artisan command to create a seeder. So mac seeder and I will say admin user and simply hit enter. Okay, now if I go here, it created a one file over here, admin seeder. So I will create one admin user over here, so user, and I will say like create. Okay, and now I will define name, and name will be the admin, and then there will be email. I will set up admin@gmail.com. Okay, now if I go here and I will go and I will set up the password. So I will use like hash colon colon mac, and I will define 1234564 for now, and then I will define the type one, that means the super admin. Okay, let me use it over here, the models. So app models, and I will say user, and same thing, let me use the hash. Okay, simply save it, and now let me go to the model, user model, and here I will be define the type as well, so we don't have an issue with that. Okay, and simply save it. Okay, now let me run this seeder. Okay, so now let me go here, php artisan db colon seed, and there will be a class. What class we created? Simply admin user. Okay, and simply if I hit enter, it run the seeder. You can see that seeding database. Now if I go to the users table, it created a one user. You can see that admin@gmail.com, and type will be one. So that means whenever you are set up the first time your application, at that time you don't require to any give a register page or anything. You can create a seeder and default create an admin user. Same thing if you have a like default countries and default cities, then you just need to create a seeder, and when you run it, it automatically all the cities and all the countries will come up with the database. So I hope guys you understand the concept of seeder, and if you like this video, then please subscribe us. Thank you so much for watching.